How to remove vocals from a song in WavePad. First of all, open WavePad and load the song you want to edit by clicking on File and then Open File, or simply drag and drop the audio file into the WavePad window. Next, go to the top menu and click on the Effects tab. From the drop-down options, choose Voice and then select Reduce Vocals. This tool is designed to lower or remove the vocal frequencies from the audio track. Then, a settings window will appear with several vocal removal options. You can use WavePad AI or machine learning to remove vocals, which is recommended but may be slower. There's also a vocal reduction method where you can choose from medium, light, or aggressive levels. The parametric vocal reduction option lets you manually adjust settings like pan position, pan width, preserve bass, and vocal level. Lastly, you can use simple channel subtraction to quickly remove center audio by selecting a preset from the preset drop-down menu. These settings help fine-tune the process depending on how the vocals were mixed in the original track. After that, click Preview to listen to how the audio sounds without the vocals. Make adjustments as needed to get the best result. Once you are satisfied with the outcome, click Apply to remove the vocals from the entire track. And that's it. Now you know how to remove vocals from a song in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.